Do beginners need a capo? That's what you're wondering. Well, here's the deal. Beginners don't always need a capo. You can play many of your beginner songs. You can play all your chord shapes without a capo. The time when a capo is necessary is when you are learning a song that uses a capo exclusively. For example, when I learned guitar first, I was 12, a long time ago, and I basically was looking to learn Wonderwall by Oasis. And my music teacher said, you need a capo. And that was a necessity. Sometimes players buy one in the beginning if it comes as part of a package bundle or something like that, and they stare at it for ages, and there's nobody forcing you to use a capo. If you find a song that uses it, put it on. But you don't have to go out and get one like straight away. The main thing when you begin guitar is to learn a group of chords together, get them clear, sounding clear, regularly, consistently. Learn to change fast between the main chord shapes. So for example, fast between G and D, fast between C and D, fast between G and C. Work on those basics. Then when you get your capo, you just put it on and you can bring all that really good basic guitar playing up on the capo use. So I hope this helped. Remember to like and subscribe. And if you are a beginner and you want to check out a free 5-day Learn to Play Guitar Challenge, if you're just starting or if you already have some of the basics and you're like, there's some weird stuff going on here. It's a 5-day step-by-step method to sort out your guitar playing from the start, to give you confidence, to give you clarity, to give you a step-by-step approach and method to getting started on guitar. Check it out below. It is free. And it has worked for others. It's going to pop up here somewhere. All right, so see you inside the lesson.